Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do more practice with subtraction. Yesterday we worked on 2 and 3 digit subtraction in which we had to do some borrowing. We're going to do the same thing today, but I'm going to give you some harder situations. I'm going to start with the problem 500 minus 156. Right away in the number 500 minus 156, I see that the 6 is bigger than the 0 and that there's no way that I can take 6 away from there. So what does the 0 have to do? Well, the 0 has to go next door to borrow. But what do you notice here? Does the 10 have any to give? No, the 10's place is empty. But the thing about that is the 10s are very generous and they're going to say, hold on 1 minute. Let me go over to my neighbor and ask them to borrow. So we have to do this in 2 steps. So the 10s say, hey, can I borrow 100? So the 5 turns into a 4, and now we have 10 10s or 100. Now the ones say, okay, well, now can I borrow a 10? Sure. I'll go down to 9, and then you can have a 10. So we'll do our subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. 344. That's a little tricky, so let's try another one. 600 minus 391. So right away again we see we cannot take 0 minus 1. So we have to borrow. But again, there's nothing in the tens, so we're going to go over to the hundreds first. That 600 is going to turn into a 500 because the extra 100 is going to go next door to the tens. So now we have 10 tens. So now they can borrow their 10 over to here. So we have 10 ones, 9 tens, and 5 hundreds. Now we can do our subtraction. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 9 is 0. 5 take away 3 is 2. Our answer is 209. Let's try one that's a little bit like that, but a little bit different. 501 minus 258. Okay, we have 1 take away 8. Can we do it? Nope. So the 1 has to go next door. Can I borrow? No, I don't have any, so they go next door. They're going to borrow 100 and turn into 10 tenths. Now can I borrow? Well, sure. So they will turn into 9, and this 1 will turn into 11. 11 take away 8 is 3. 9 take away 5 is 4. 4 take away 2 is 2. So when we're practicing subtracting across zeros, we have to remember that we have to do it one step at a time. If the ones can't borrow from the tens, then the tens have to go borrow from the hundreds first. Then the ones can borrow. For your assignment today, you're going to be doing the next page in your packet, the front and the back of it. It says subtraction, 3-digit with borrowing. And on the back, it is called 3-digit with 0. So it's some of those practicing with 0 problems. I know this is tricky stuff. If you have any questions, just email me or send me a message and I can set up a meeting with you to go over it some more. But I think that you'll do great, do your best, and like I said, reach out to me if you need any help.